Wait a minute, are you dead?
No.
What?
Wait, I'm gonna get a car.
I just got run over by a teammate. Yeah. He legitimately fucking ran me over. Nice.
There's somebody right below me. Man, let's go.
This is your soy update. Soybeans have met resistance. We need a catalyst to help propel it up. Please trade with caution.
Thanks, soy boy.
There's a bunch of scopes on the ground.
I got everything I need, dude. Except I could use some like pills or something.
Like right where I'm standing, there's a bunch of 4 times.
Clock coming. What the fuck, Raymond?
Run him over!
Are you in PUBG?
Got him. There's someone right below us. If they open the door, I'm fucking blasting them.
This last guy.
Oh shit, it is. Got him.
Yeah. It's not bad, right?
Yeah. I thought it would be pretty cancer, but...
No, it's pretty good. The SKS is pretty good in this game.
Yeah, the SKS is pretty OP.
I'll play after I get back. I gotta go to McDonald's because it's food.
Alright. See you later, dude.
What a sounds good. Why the fuck is Mark Zuckerberg sitting on a booster seat?
This is just why.
Maybe that's his charging station. I upped the ante today.
That's so fucking hot.
Lucky.
Yeah, no shit.
It's fucking like, it's 90 right now here.
Wee.
I really have a cold.
Yeah, you say that now.
I know. That's so true. I just don't want, I'm not saying I would like a cold 20, like all day, every day, but I prefer it cooler.
Yeah, too hot does suck.
I mean,
I mean, you
if
got
it's
air
too hot
strike.
right now, that'd be dope. I would love to be able to actually like go outside and work in my house. You know?
Do what?
I got a ton of shit to do out there. some new gutters in the garage, you know, fun shit like that.
Get some copper gutters.
No, dude. Why? So the fucking meth heads can steal them off my place? No.
Expensive as fuck, dude. Hi, can I get 2 Happy Meals? 1 chicken nuggets. And 1
Can I have a McGangbang?
cheeseburger?
Do you have a McRabbi? It's a chicken nugget on a bun.
Sorry. 4 piece.
It's so stupid, it's funny.
Get the Szechuan sauce.
Yeah,
Szechuan sauce.
Tyrone's chicken.
yeah.
Szechuan.
Apple slices. Yes.
I'd like to be healthy at McDonald's, please. Thank you.
And also, can I get a 20-piece nugget?
Holy shit.
Yeah. Yes. And a
55.
number 7?
Holy shit.
It's going in.
No.
This nigga about
Can I
to.
have just the sandwich for that one?
Is this all for him?
No. 2 Happy Meals?
And a sweet barbecue bacon, I guess.
I guess.
Yeah, the sweet the meal.
I'm so fucking hungry. I haven't eaten in 24 hours.
Yeah, with the Coke.
Fucking eat then, you homeless son.
Shit. Well, you're gonna.
I had Wendy's, dog.
And all your options are gonna expire
Sorry.
worthless.
What you ask me?
Hmm?
Bro, I need SPY to fucking die, like now.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
getting
okay.
nervous.
Sorry, bro.
Whatever is normal.
Do you think it's going up, up, up?
Yeah, the bull market's back. The fuck over it.
I don't know, bro. I think it's a fake out. I think it's a trap.
No,
That's
it's
it.
not.
Sure. Yeah. Coke. Actually, can I get 2 snack size Oreo McFlurries?
God damn.
How much do you weigh?
That's it.
These kids.
Yeah, that's fine. It's cool then. Forget it. No. Yeah, that's it.
People love getting a shitload of those apple pies.
Yes.
They're so good.
Thank you.
Who the fuck spends
Dude,
$30 at McDonald's?
They changed apple pie. They all suck now. They used to
Really?
be delicious.
Dude, the apple pies used to be fucking awesome.
They're still good. They're
They
still
changed
good.
them?
Now they're like harder. Or something.
Here you go. Batman Lego cups.
I think I fucked up buying puts on SPY.
Just buy some nuggets.
Fuck. I'm probably gonna lose all my profits tomorrow.
Hi. Yeah.
It's like you're live streaming, bro.
Yeah.
They're gonna say, pull the fuck
Don't
around.
swap me, dude.
Yeah.
You
Don't
order
swap.
too much shit.
Don't what? SWAT. Yeah. No, I won't do that.
Yeah, barbecue.
Szechuan sauce.
That's disgusting, dude.
Yeah, it's like nasty soy sauce.
Dude, just order 1,000 chicken nuggets.
Yeah,
Fucking
And drive-thru,
Raymond
right?
Wong out of nowhere.
it's in drive-thru, right? And order that. Yeah, people would be so pissed behind me.
Fucking forklifting for chicken nuggets into your car.
Bro, I went to Little Caesars like a few weeks ago, and they told me they were out of fucking cheese, bro. What the fuck? No, I'm not kidding. I'm like, how, or what? I'm like,
Why
there's
do you
another
know that?
Little Caesars down the road. You can't like have them ship you some?
Just ask them for a plain pizza.
Ask him to go put some American on it.
Bro. I was like, I thought they were fucking with me, for real. I literally asked to talk to the manager. I was like, can I just verify that with the manager? Of course, the fucker that came to the window was probably like the fucking janitor or something.
Just order some Domino's instead.
I would spit in your food. For
Actually, I did order Domino's, bro.
It's
You would
pretty
spit in
good.
my food.
Why would you do something like that?
I know, bro. It's nasty. What are you, a nigger?
Yes.
Fucking nigger. Why don't you change your name to nigger?
Style, Nick.
Yeah, he changes my name every time I come on here. I don't know. He must not like me.
I didn't do it today.
I'm only
Well,
a
I've been on for
casual
literally 5 seconds. I'm waiting for
And
you.
you're already complaining.
It's like a
Snap.
tradition. It's a tradition. We should just make it a tradition.
listener. Can you call me?
Right click.
Yeah,
Mute.
done.
No, your name is Dan.
It feels like in California that all the new Mercedes, after like 3 years, they get sold out to the rest of the states. So everybody, like everybody here drives a new one.
Yeah. Expensive as fuck to live there, bro. A new Mercedes is nothing.
Well, depends which one.
Well, yeah.
I've only seen like newer ones. I haven't seen any of the old ones anymore.
They're pretty nice, but don't they all have that like automatic engine shut off thing now?
Yeah. it's
That
fucking
seems
annoying,
like,
but
yeah, that thing seems like it would like wear the like starter and the engine out.
the engine doesn't really turn off all the way. It just turns down like cylinders and shit like that.
Oh.
They're still running.
Weird.
Yeah.
Sometimes though, it like, sometimes even, I don't know if maybe they have to be broken in or something, but like when you accelerate, they like, sometimes there's a little bit of a, you know what I'm talking about, like a lag or whatever.
No.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you never, maybe it's just because it was new.
I saw a Jaguar E-Type the other day.
This is dope. I
Where
mean,
you
this one.
walking?
This car's only like a year old.
I think it was like a 61. No, 62.
Jaguars are shit, bro.
The E-Type looks pretty cool though.
Yeah, but they like they depreciate so fast.
It's a
Well,
Ford
it's a
product, bro.
Hey, where'd he go?
Ford products are garbage.
Where the...
Fix or repair daily.
Do what?
Fix or repair daily. Ford.
What?
Bad
Why
old
am I
pot
getting
dick.
moved?
Found
Someone
on the road
muted him, what the
there.
fuck? Someone deafened him.
Who, me?
Someone deafened, Young Zanny.
Um,
That sucks. Only there was something I could do.
there
about
is-
Are you eating in the parking lot, bro?
I'm in the car, bro. I'm on the way home.
Hell yeah.
What, you don't mention the fries on the way?
I usually get a double bacon cheeseburger, no pickle, no onion, with the extra salt.
I only eat Egg McMuffins.
Yeah. I like the biscuits better.
I actually don't know what any of those are.
Sometimes I
Sausage,
swap
potato,
out the
egg.
fries for the hash brown.
Why?
Because hash browns are dang.
It's fucking oily as fuck, dude.
So
like-
good. So,
so much-
crispy on the outside.
Yeah, that's
I'm
true.
Irish as a motherfucker, dude. I love potatoes.
No, you're just from Idaho.
Mashed potatoes, french fries, hash browns.
Hey,
That's
Stylus,
the-
Young Daddy just called you a nigger.
Scallop potatoes are the best.
Nah, bro. Au gratin or
Yeah.
the hash brown casserole at
Au
Cracker
gratin.
Barrel.
All grun.
You
Hey,
should've put a
Raymond,
blowjob.
You
If-
see,
I like baked potatoes.
Those are good too. Any potatoes are good. Except for sweet potatoes, yeah.
Yeah.
JCDs, hydroponics.
I haven't really figured out how to use it well yet without wasting a shitload of electricity. It's easier to just grow outside unless you're like in the winter and dying.
Yeah, it's like I'm stacked with food, but I'm like, yeah, I've got a feeling come winter I'm gonna be fucked. So.
You gotta dehydrate it.
You don't even know Lakai. Whatever, dude. You don't even know.
I'm a fucking prepper, alright? I saw Doomsday Prepper yesterday. It's pretty awesome.
That show's so corny.
Oh man.
Alright. Alright, gentlemen. Oh, I almost. Whoa, what?
Should I put my name in the game?
Yeah, you should pay for that.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm currently trying to learn how to option trade on paper.
Just write down the strike on a piece of paper,
Mm-hmm.
and then eat the piece of paper.
Ooh. I see a 267 strike price call for SPY tomorrow. But
Perfect. Eat it.
But its theta is nasty.
who gives a fuck about all that stuff?
I guess you can just be autistic and buy a bunch and lose all your money.
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Well, if you looked at my portfolio,
What is your portfolio?
who is that?
Swag. Mir Putin. Oh boy. So why are you shorting volatility while at the same time shorting the... you're shorting volatility.
The better question is, why aren't you?
I can straddle the VIX while the decay works for me.
Ah, I see you also have some AMD calls.
Just a couple.
I too have AMD calls. God help me.
Oh no. I'll send you this chart, bro. It's Kush, my guy.
Hey, Stylus, did you pirate Rimworld?
Maybe.
I believe.
What?
I want to buy this SPY call.
That's Steam Workshop, so I don't know.
I'm a cheapskate, so yeah, I did.
I just like Steam Workshop. It's convenient.
This graph is current,
Warning.
except I have to update this one part.
Is it on Rate My Charts?
No, I'll send it to
No,
you.
it's on Rate My Graphs.
Mm-hmm.
Do I use a graphing calculator?
Yeah, dude. It's on ratemypiecharts.com.
Uh-huh.
It's actually rate my pie charts.
There you go, bro. You
Thank
can
you, sir.
PayPal me if you want.
I have $17 in Google Play credits.
Oh my. Oh my.
You can see when I made that.
Like, it's too low resolution, I can't see.
No, you can see when I made the chart.
Oh, I see now.
Wait, where's your chart? Where's your chart?
I'll send it to you, bro, because you're my best friend.
Made this in May 4th. Let me see what happened after May 4th.
Jason, you make any IEDs yet?
No, I researched them, but I haven't used them.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna need them in a second.
Nah, I made this shit like a week ago, bro. You can see the point where I charted everything off of.
Did you send them yet?
I think you got me blocked. Can you refrain from being a faggot?
You're not blocked.
And let me look up when earnings are. I forgot when earnings are.
I literally drew a dotted line above it. The last earnings and the coming earnings.
Rating companies. This is the most useless chart I've ever seen.
Why is that?
It just tells us what analyst ratings are.
No.
No?
No, that's just the $13 mark. All the other marks I made.
Then why are they in the same color? Why are they the same color?
Also, God help me, I bought JP Morgan at 110. I'm hoping these earnings are good. I essentially just betted on these people's earnings.
Also, what's with the zebra pattern?
What do you mean?
The zebra pattern on the background.
That's every market, like market hour and
Are they hours or oh, they're open and closed.
Those are, yeah.
This is a daily time frame.
It's a 4 hour.
Oh. Are you red-green colorblind?
No.
Why is it red and blue?
I'll tell you exactly why. That is the TTM trend.
Whatever.
Let me look at the option chain for AMD. Maybe there's a strike price that's higher than 1050 because I think it's going to go a lot higher than 1050 at the earnings.
Yeah, there's plenty of strikes, but that's the safest one, at least I think.
What's the
That's the
delta on that?
safest one.
Let me pull it up. Hold on. See here, now I have to go to my computer and type in AMD.
Why don't you just do it on your phone, dude?
Because I'm on a desktop.
Do you not have a phone?
I mean, the lowest I projected is $11.10.
May 4th. That expires right before earnings, so that's the thing.
What you mean? My shit expires 3 days after earnings.
Let's see this. Oh yeah, true. Let me see. That is the weirdest shit ever. Let me see. 1 second. It says here on, I'll send you the screenshot. Okay, now I see, never mind. I'm stupid. It's estimated to be on the 27th.
Well, 1050 calls. Break even of $11.
Isn't
I
there
only
also
projected to go to 11.1. I bought as many as I basically can, and then I left some cash aside to straddle the market, or the VIX at least.
It seems to me that there's also theta decay on that though, so
I don't know what any of that shit means.
means the value of your contract goes down every single day.
No, it's really unimportant if you're gonna trade options. You don't need to know that shit.
Fucking hit the market button, dude.
Alright, screw it, I'm gonna buy it. 1 a.m.
Open the options chain, close your eyes, hit a random stock, hit the market button. Fucking easy, dude.
But I'd like money.
Hit the market button.
But
and when it says that you gain money, hit the market button sell.
So you say that the... Are you saying it's going to, or in general, well, any option in general, doesn't it decline as it gets closer to expiration? It's worth less.
Then if you want to keep it after expiration, wouldn't it be worth less? I guess if the
Well, if you run it all the way up until it expires, it ain't gonna be worth shit.
So when do you plan on selling? I guess the day after options.
A day or two before earnings, preferably at 11.5. I should be able to make like nearly $2,000 or more, depending on how much it runs up.
Holy shit. I'm looking at these last earnings versus price. 725. I notice that every single time after earnings, this thing shits.
Hell yeah, why do you think I'm trying to sell a couple days before, man? Well, last earnings, it was like a giant fucking bull trap.
Yeah, it went up like 5% and it lost 18 in the next week.
And it basically went sideways up until all the trade war shit going on.
After the trade war shit went down at 9. I see a pattern here, like every time there's an earnings, it shits. And then once it shits, it goes back up to right before earnings. Earnings gets reported, then it shits again, and it goes up and down.
Yep. You know, you're a really smart guy. You're starting to catch on.
Thank you.
You know, if Chris says that, you know it's true.
Mm-hmm. I actually had this thing. I actually had AMD back when. Let me see where is it? I bought it at 660, and then it dipped. It was August 2016. It dipped after I bought it. I bought more, and then it just skyrocketed, and I sold at like 10.
Hello?
What up?
Hi, dude. Casual AutoZone racist. What does that mean?
He works at AutoZone and is a racist.
Casually.
I don't work at AutoZone anymore.
Okay.
This again. Look, Chris, you're an AutoZone person.
No, nigga. I don't work at
Whoa.
AutoZone.
Whoa. Did
Whoa.
you just say the N-word? I'm reporting you.
Call who you gotta call, man.
Jasira. Jasira. Wake up. How the fuck do you pronounce your name? JCRZA. Hello? Alright, never mind.
So basically, I'm renting $36,000 at AMD until May 4th.
Till you get that margin call, boy.
Why would I get margin called?
AMD's going to $0, dude. Heard it here first.
Yeah, about that. Y'all said it was going to $7 or $8. They bounced back.
I didn't say when it was.
And then,
Next earnings.
I told y'all yesterday that it was gonna hit the $10 mark today, and that's exactly what it did.
I told you.
He's back! Why
Yeah,
didn't you
10
buy Sun Power, dude?
Do you want to get it at 10:50 by end of week? It's my bet.
Some girls' hair smell really nice.
It might shit
What's
though.
a quadrum? JC, you know? What a quadrum.
Oh, I have no idea, honestly.
I think it's supposed to be
No.
like months, but like, because I guess
It
there's only
won't.
2 seasons. Or,
I don't think it'll be 10:50 by the end of the week. I think it'll be 10:50 on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, quadrum is just a season, since there are 4 seasons. Okay.
I bought this
Hey.
thing. I bought this stock too, like an idiot, in early January, and at like 11.92. I saw it dips like a shit show. In February, I lost a fuck ton of money, and then it just jumps up to like 12.50 in like late February, and I just sold them like I'm out.
He was talking shit about Sun Power. I made so much money off of that.
No, you did.
Let's see
Pull
what
up
Solar
the
City's
history
going
right
for.
now.
Please show me the money. Actually, don't. I don't give a shit. Do you know if it stays colder in your like fridge or walk-in cooler area if you have steel or steel walls?
I'm not sure. I
feel
used
like
a cryo sleep chamber with steel walls as my storage area this game, so I didn't have to build one.
My storage area is fucking huge though. It's like 12 by 12 probably. And it's full, so hopefully I'll be good. Then I realized I've just been collecting like fucking pets. I don't know. They just eat your food and don't do anything.
Alright, I only have 7 people. I have a shitload of stuff, 2 geothermal plants.
Nice,
These
dude.
are full of food. 83 simple meals.
Yeah, I can never stock simple meals because they just eat them instantly.
I have like 7 by 10 farm plots and 4 of them that do 3 food, 1 wearable fiber. Seems to be a good balance.
Yeah, so I rescued this fuck and he just disappeared. I guess he just didn't want to stick around. Alright.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
How do we make medicine?
You can't. So what you can do instead is just stockpile all your medicine, make it forbidden, so that people don't use it on like just random. Because I think the default is that they'll always use the best medicine available. And the medicine you get and start with and find or can trade for, like the blue one, that'll like cure anything, I think. So you should just grow the fucking what do you call it? Heal root, and then just use that for everything. And then just make your medicine forbidden unless somebody's like really sick. Because there's no easy way to, like, you can't make it yourself. So, which is kind of fucked up. You can make all this other stuff, but you can't make medicine.
By the way, if calls are only roughly 22 cents for that
Means you
kind
have
of
to buy
price.
them.
What was the question?
If it's at that price, why don't you get a crap ton? Because it's really little, like very little risk.
You Walt my.
I'm just wondering.
Look, man, you need to look at whatever you're looking at, decide how long you're gonna play it, where you think it's gonna go, do all your homework, get the right expiration date, pay what you think it's worth, and don't panic sell it, and just know you did your homework.
If an option's really cheap, it means that it's probably not gonna happen.
Garbage.
Yeah, like that's a dog shit option.
I mean, I think it's gonna hit. Actually, no, never mind. Break-even price is 11.73. Fuck that. This one looks good.
Dude, there's so much to fucking do in this game. I'm like overwhelmed constantly.
This is better.
Fuck, stop rating me.
Yeah,
How many? What? It's just how many groups of like cavemen do I have to fucking mow down with machine guns until they'll stop charging me?
Yeah, I don't get that very often. I just get like other complete bullshit. Like instead of attackers, I'll just get like heat waves and cold snaps every 2 seconds. Really annoying. I gotta find a way to get more components though. That's another thing that sucks. You just have to get lucky. A grizzly bear has become tame. Like, what do you do with that shit, you know?
Good question.
I still haven't figured out what to do with the animals. So I guess the way to beat the game is to, like, get to the escape ship or whatever.
Yes, I got that quest like immediately, and I just didn't care. I don't want to immediately like run off. And...
Well, I mean, I think it's like really fucking hard to get there though, because you have to be able to survive the trip and everything, and you really can't control them after that. But I know you can like resettle too, so I guess you can do multiple settlements. I don't know.
I can put people in these crypto sleep caskets now. If they're like hurt or dying, I can put them in there until I get the medicine and then wake them up.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, so I built my base around it until I knew I was tough enough to open it and kill the guys inside that had like power armor and SMGs.
Oh,
So
like
I
the
just did it.
slugs, the ancient things or whatever?
In this ancient... Oh, fuck. One of my guys just died. I gotta load.
Yeah, you gotta restart.
I managed to roll a 20 intelligence. He's like a grandmaster, smartest guy in the universe. And he's turned out to be very useful.
Would you all be able to help me out with something real quick?
I just got a fucking bear sleeping in my area now, because apparently I tamed him. That's pretty good. Sorry, what'd you want? You talking about taming bears, dude?
Oof. I can't buy. It says I can only buy a certain amount of options. Like it's only allowing me to buy 5 options when I want to buy 100 of them.
What? How
You're
much
fucked.
money do you have?
I can only buy 500 shares of it when. Oh man.
You can buy 0 options right now, so I don't know what you're talking about.
How do you feel about black people?
People? You said
Okay, how do you
people.
feel about blacks?
You mean the recoil?
They prop up KFC.
You mean the hand sanitizer?
Blacks.
Maybe you can make medicine now. I don't know. I think that's gotta be like way late game though. Ooh, a squirrel is now self-tamed. Hooray!
Alright. Later, y'all. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've never seen anybody actually use the paste dispenser though, so I'm kind of confused as to whether or not that works.
I don't know how to use it.
I don't either, but they keep putting like potatoes in it and shit, so I'm assuming it's working.
Alright, I'm putting this guy in the cryo sleep chamber until I can get some fucking medicine for him.
Yes, I think you can like force heal him with just the herbal medicine, see if that works. What is his disease?
I'm not sure.
Just click him and then I think you go to health and I'll tell you. Should.
Now he's like in the tube.
Ah, okay. Yeah, fuck it. Alright, so I got a squirrel, fox, grizzly, bear, and a wolf. Like, I'm confused as what the purpose of these things is. Does it like make people happier to have them? I don't know. So what did you manage to kill the guys that were near that chamber thing with?
So they were all inside the pods until I opened them. So I surrounded them. I put 2 turrets up. I cooked everyone with like hammers and guns and shit. And then I popped it and I got lucky. 1 out of like 10 tries.
Yeah, mine's a little different. There's like 3 of these ancient things in there with fucking like plasma rifles and shit.
Okay, so what
like...
you can do is you can close the thing off, build a bunch of heaters, heat side in, and you can kill them by giving them a heat stroke.
By like just building them in? Huh.
Yeah, and heating them up to death. Then you can go in and steal their laser guns and be brutal.
Yeah, because they can't go in and out of the doors, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. I hate when it gives me like the oh shit, you know, alert, but it's like somebody's tattered clothes on.
Yeah, they get all butthurt about that.
Oh shit! So I think you can sell your pets. I can sell my grizzly bear for $400. I don't know if I want to though. Kind of like the grizzly bear. This fat motherfucker starts one more fire, dude.
Oh, you got a pyro? That sucks.
Ew. But one of my best guys is a pyro, so it sucks.
They're gonna destroy your base eventually. There's nothing you can do about it.
I've kind of been on top of it, and I'm wondering if I build everything out of steel, whether or not they can light anything on fire.
No, it'll be a lot harder.
That might be a good idea. I mean, if you just like really heavily micro it, you can make sure that you put them all on instantly.
I can't find the power armor. I think I might have buried the soldier in it.
Huh. This motherfucker's trying to light my bear on fire. You better come. Oh my god, he lit my bear on fire. Fuck this dude.
You know, you gotta have balls to light a bear on fire.
He's the second time he did it. I feel like they light around 15 fires and then they're done, you know? And now he's gonna have a little something to eat and then go to bed. Alright. Have you had a baby yet? Can you have babies in this game?
I don't think so.
Maybe you guys can try having one together.
Dare you.
Alright, I got 80 meals. I should be good.
I have 928 things of raw potatoes.
Yeah, I've got a lot.
You guys are like Jews.
Oh, jeez. Full potatoes.
Good old Jewish meal.
I don't think we can afford full potatoes.
Yeah, I have 5,200 raw food. Just miscellaneous. 1,400 raw potatoes. 2,600 rice. Yeah, I think I should be set for winter.
Just need somebody to drop by with some advanced medicine that I can buy off of them. Then I can revive what's his name.
Yeah, you gotta get lucky with that shit, I feel like.
I do have one guy that likes to binge on drugs.
Yeah, I don't have any drugs or anything like that. Just because I'm scared that's what's gonna happen. Fuck yeah, finished package survival meal. Okay, medicine production. I think, yeah. So I guess you can make medicine. It's almost in like the most advanced tech tree.
Yeah, I have it researched. It just There's no easy way to just make medicine. Like, I haven't figured out how to get the shit.
Yeah, I think you gotta grow the cloth and the herbal medicine. Maybe that's it.
Oh, by the way, put a little stool in front of every workstation for a big boost to like their contentness and productivity.
Oh, really?
But you put a stool there? Gross. Why would you do that?
Show him who's boss.
Just shit and fucking gross. You know that stuff Arctic Clean, like the thermal paste remover shit.
I've heard of it.
You never heard of it?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Requires 1 herbal medicine, 1 neutroamine, and 3 cloth. What's the neutroamine?
If AMD pulls through, I'm buying a 5.7 and a P90.
And my storage room just exploded for no reason.
Your what exploded?
Storage room just kind of exploded.
Oh, do you have like a battery in there or something?
Not right there, no.